Hello guys, this is Travelin and we are back with a new video. We are sure that you all will be facing this situation due to the corona lockdowns in your respective countries. We are here to help you to overcome this. This is Kubra professional hair clipper. I got this from Amazon at an amazing cheap price. I will disclose the price at the end of this video, so stay tuned. In this video we will cover the basic issues faced by all who are new to such trimmers. So let's begin. Apart from the trimmer machine, this box comes with 4 different sized blades, a cleaner brush, a wheel bottle to save the trimmer blades from rusting, and most important, a power cord to charge the machine. Plastic quality of all the blades was top notch. I am sure that it will last long. The cleaning brush hairs are super firm, which makes the cleaning work super easy and increases the usable life of the machine. Coming to the trimmer, I was amazed by its build quality and firmness. The product which I received was half charged, so I was able to use it instantly. The trimmer has a battery indicator as well, which indicates the current status of battery, in order to help us plan our trimming sessions accordingly. How to install the blades? This might be your question. Am I right? Please take suitable blade size from the available 4 options. For demonstration purpose, I am attaching blade size 4 in this video, to help you get a brief idea on how to attach blades to this trimmer. Follow the steps shown in this video to avoid breakage of blades or the trimmer. I am sure by now you must have learned to attach the blades. If not, you can rewind this part and improve your skills. Listen to the sound of this mighty little beast. After listening to the sound, you will agree on this, that this is a powerful machine. The next question in your mind would be, how to remove these blades. As shown in the video, please give a gentle push on the lever end of the blade. Let's now cover different types of blades available with this box. As mentioned earlier, there are 4 blades of different sizes. This gives us a wide option on the usage of this trimmer. Coming to the cleaning of the trimmer, as mentioned by me earlier in this video, the brush is firm and steady brush hairs. This makes the cleaning super easy. I recommend all of you to hold this machine at least once after every 3 trimming sessions. This will help to enhance the durability of the machine. This is the secret for buying this trimmer at cheap price. Amazon's Great Indian Festival 2020. This trimmer costed about 1,700 Indian rupees if you had bought it before this Amazon sale. However, I paid much less than this. I bought it at 1,100 Indian rupees only. All thanks to the Amazon Prime subscription and Great Indian Festival season. We will come back with some exciting new videos, so stay tuned. Until then, stay safe and peace out. And follows us on Instagram.
TunePocket.com